Clean performance starts with a healthy fuel system and combustion. Best Fuel Injector Cleaner helps restore power, improve mileage, and emissions. This guide highlights solutions for smoother acceleration and longer engine life. Discover tips to keep vehicles running strong daily. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Archoil AR6400D Fuel Injector Cleaner. The Archoil AR6400D Fuel Injector Cleaner is a premium solution designed specifically for diesel engines that demand high-performance maintenance. This concentrated formula works quickly to remove stubborn carbon and varnish deposits that accumulate in injectors, fuel lines, and combustion chambers over time. By restoring proper spray patterns, it helps ensure smoother combustion, improved throttle response, and more consistent power delivery. One of its biggest advantages is its ease of use. Simply pour it into the fuel tank and drive normally, making it suitable for both professional mechanics and everyday drivers. This cleaner is especially valuable for modern diesel vehicles equipped with DPF systems and turbochargers. It reduces deposit buildup that can interfere with turbo efficiency and supports cleaner DPF operation, helping minimize frequent regeneration cycles. As a result, users often notice better fuel economy, reduced exhaust smoke, and quieter engine operation after consistent use. The ability to treat 30 to 40 gallons per bottle makes it cost-effective for long-distance drivers and fleet owners alike. Number 2. Hot Shot's Secret Diesel Extreme Fuel Injector Cleaner. The Hot Shot's Secret Diesel Extreme Fuel Injector Cleaner is engineered for drivers who want a comprehensive approach to fuel system maintenance. Rather than focusing solely on injectors, this formula targets the entire diesel fuel system, including valves, pumps, pistons, and upper cylinders. Its deep cleaning action removes both internal and external diesel injector deposits, ensuring smooth fuel delivery and consistent combustion performance. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its ability to boost cetane levels by up to 7 points. Higher cetane improves ignition quality, leading to better throttle response, easier cold starts, and improved fuel economy. Drivers often experience reduced engine knocking and smoother acceleration after treatment. In addition, the product helps reduce the frequency of DPF regenerations, which can extend component life and lower long-term maintenance costs. This cleaner also includes water-dispersing agents and corrosion inhibitors, making it particularly useful in humid environments or regions with inconsistent fuel quality. Number 3. ATS Chemical Fuel Injector Cleaner. The ATS Chemical Fuel Injector Cleaner is built around a proven formula designed to deliver measurable improvements in engine performance. Its 505 CRF treatment targets tough carbon deposits found in both port-style and direct-style injectors, ensuring proper fuel atomization and efficient combustion. By removing buildup from injectors, induction ports, and intake valves, this cleaner restores airflow and fuel balance throughout the system. One of the main advantages of this product is its versatility. It can be used in both gasoline and diesel engines, making it a practical option for households with multiple vehicles. Treating between 5 and 20 gallons per application, it is well suited for compact cars, motorcycles, and light trucks. Users often report smoother idling, improved throttle response, and better fuel economy after treatment. The ATS cleaner is particularly effective as part of a preventative maintenance routine. Regular use helps prevent the formation of new deposits, reducing the likelihood of long-term performance issues. Number 4. STP Concentrated Fuel Injector Cleaner. The STP Concentrated Fuel Injector Cleaner is a trusted option backed by decades of automotive additive expertise. This formula is designed to unclog dirty injectors, dissolve harmful deposits, and restore lost power and acceleration. By improving fuel flow and combustion efficiency, it helps engines regain smooth operation and responsive performance. One of the key benefits of this cleaner is its compatibility with modern fuel systems, including capless gas systems. This makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from older models to newer daily drivers. As deposits are removed, drivers often notice improved fuel economy and reduced hesitation during acceleration. The cleaner also contributes to lower emissions, making it beneficial for environmentally conscious users. STP's concentrated formula works quickly, allowing results to be seen after just one treatment. It helps stabilize combustion and minimize misfires caused by clogged injectors. With regular use, it prevents future buildup and maintains consistent engine performance. Number 5. Gumout 510019-6PK Fuel Injector Cleaner. The Gumout 510019-6PK Fuel Injector Cleaner is a powerful multi-pack solution designed for long-term fuel system maintenance. This formula targets carbon deposits that form on injectors, intake valves, and fuel ports, ensuring smooth fuel delivery and consistent combustion. By removing existing buildup and preventing future accumulation, it helps engines operate at peak efficiency. One of the major advantages of this product is its compatibility with turbocharged and supercharged vehicles. Its oxygen sensor-safe formula ensures that sensitive components are not damaged during cleaning. As deposits are eliminated, users typically experience improved throttle response, reduced emissions, and enhanced fuel economy. This makes it suitable for both performance-oriented drivers and everyday commuters. The 6-pack format provides excellent value, allowing multiple treatments over time. This encourages regular maintenance, which is essential for preventing long-term fuel system problems. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.